for you.
Okay.
Like very crisp and stuff, and like solid colors.
Yeah.
Like solid block.
Yeah.
And we'll just do the front simple, but we'll
Okay.
do a funky back.
Okay.
Yeah, because we have lots going on. Like there's a lot of volume at the bottom and stuff.
Yeah,
So we'll do the
yeah.
front simple.
Okay.
And yeah, so we'll do the whole. The base will be black.
Alright.
And we'll add a touch of red on it. And
Like a sash of red. Some
yeah,
sort?
yeah.
Yeah.
The belt area can be red, like
Okay.
as you can see here. So
Yeah.
we'll add the red, and we'll give some kind of cut. It's not just
Yeah.
a simple, you know, like sleeveless or
Sleeveless
whatever.
kind
Some
of
kind
cut,
of
yeah.
cut, just to,
Yeah.
you know, add an backer, and then the back will be like straps behind, and I think that'll be-
I think so too.
yeah.
Black, red, and white.
Yeah. So you're okay with the colors?
Yes, I am. I love it.
Great.
I love it
Sounds
very
good.
much.
So we keep it simple, but yeah, classy.
Okay. Fabulous.
The color that we decided was
gonna be red.
right?
Yes. Yeah. And we said that we would do it with black, but you said you wanted some change.
Yeah, so that's on my phone that I'll show you. So basically the strap that we're looking at.
You want
on
like
the-
a diamond?
Yes, exactly.
Okay, so that's basically that would be silver and red.
Yes.
Right? That's the combination.
On that note. I think it's on my phone.
Yeah. And you want to more like more padded.
I don't know, you tell me, would that work?
Stiff. Yeah, it will look nice.
For the one shoulder, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let
one
me just
shoulder. And we'll stick with the same style at the back as well.
Yeah. See, like this is the picture I had
Yeah.
shown you. Right?
Yeah,
So
we
that
can do
all
that.
across.
Yeah.
So then then I don't wear a neck piece, then
Nothing.
I just wear
Nothing. Yeah, just earrings.
earrings
Yeah.
and hair up.
Yeah. And we have like cuts on the
Cuts
side.
on the side, yeah.
Yeah.
At the
Back
on
and
the back.
front.
Okay.
Yeah, so we can look sexy.
Yay! I'm so excited.
Yeah, and do you want a slit in the front, or do you want to like cover, like do you want like some like an opening, because we have this flap coming in.
Would an opening look better, or would it be better if we structure it or something?
Maybe just
Not that I know what
Sure.
structuring it
yeah.
means.
No, but maybe so that you're more comfortable and it's not
Yeah?
especially
Okay.
when walking or whatever.
Okay.
So we were just going through the stuff you've got outside. It's stunning. But thank you for like suggesting that you design like a line for us. So
You're
tell
most
me.
welcome. Okay, so we said that we will go with something like more softer, which has a lot of like cows, and the fall of it is much more soft. And we still give the fitted look, but on top we add like cows and stuff like that.
Right.
And drapes.
Right.
So we will go with the gold, like we spoke about.
Yes.
Yeah. And I had suggested this kind of fabric, but would you prefer a lighter gold if you want like bronze?
I like this, but I know that we had some golds in mind as well.
Okay.
And
Okay.
so
Yeah. So we
tell
can
me
do
if
that.
that works.
Yeah.
So we will
What
get
we-
shinier, basically shinier.
Right. So what we can do is the top bit.
Mhm.
We can do like a sequence, sheeted sequence, and then we take the plain at the bottom. What do you think? Or do you want the whole thing like?
I like anything that works well together. So if you feel like पूरा ही एक में ज़्यादा हो जाएगा and you've got like an idea to mix two sort of fabrics, then
Right.
that works with me.
Right. Okay. See, like you can see that we have this kind of cape here.
Hmm.
So what we can do is maybe do the whole thing sheeted, and then do a cape in a color. I think it will look nice, right?
Yours is design.
Yeah. Yeah.
So actually I was thinking, I really like the designs you sent, but
Right.
I think the first one, the yellow one with the peplum,
Yeah.
I think that might not suit me because I'm not really very tall.
Okay.
And it's kind of like the bottom part is very fitted.
Alright. So you prefer something more flowy, right?
Exactly, I prefer something
Okay.
a little more flowy, also gives me a little more movement if I have to, be on the red carpet or if I have to do some
Right.
interviews and walk around.
Right.
Then it just gives me a little more comfort if it's a little more flowing.
Okay.
But
That's
obviously,
fine.
just nothing that's so much fabric that I trip and fall on the red carpet or fall on the shadow.
No, we can work on it. Yeah.
Actually,
Everyone wishes that, but yeah. So okay.
I take the fall.
What about the second design I sent you? So
Actually, I really like that one.
okay.
I really
So
like
we can make that flowy and
Yeah.
stick with that kind of style,
Perfect.
right? And you prefer like sleeveless with sleeves, like what's What's on your mind? Like,
I'm not fussed about that. I leave that up to you.
okay, great.
As long as it's comfortable.
Okay, and we're okay to go with like a funky back or something, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay.
Or like tube-ish thing, T, like where shoulders are like bare shoulder.
Okay. Also, again, I want to just leave it up to you, Anjali.
Okay, yeah.
Because but I do want to keep comfort in mind because I think all of us are going to be working
Yeah.
in
Right,
some capacity that night. You know
Okay,
what I
no
mean? So I do
problem.
want to look glam, but I also want it to be a little functional, so I don't have to worry about pulling it up constantly.
Yes, that's also right. So, okay, I'll style it in such a way that it looks different, but at the same time it's comfortable.
Good luck!
Alright.
Bye.
Thank you.
So, like no pressure or anything. We are only 1 week away from Toyota, and like we also need to do trials and fittings. So, when do you think lovely Anjali?
Well, I think we can start one by one.
We're so excited. The red carpet of Toy Fair 2016 in Anjali K.
And I'm so nervous.
Hey,